Hi, is your ad manager domain status showing disapproved when you apply for Ezoic ads on your site? I know how frustrating it is, but don't worry guys. In this video, I have solved the ad manager domain status disapproved issue. So without any further delay, let's get started. Here you can see my issue. The issue is low value content. Now we need to know why it happens and what should we do. To do that, click here button. Scroll down. Here is the option called disapproval reason and low value content alongside. Let's read why it happens. Read these reasons carefully and find out what's wrong you did in your site. I found my issue, and that is I have posted some articles in multiple categories. Now I need to edit these categories. Open up my site's dashboard and removing articles from multiple categories. After removing this, go to Ezoic dashboard. Now click on the apply domain button. And here it is. The application is in progress. Now Ad Manager will review this application and then they will approve your domain within 48 hours. So guys, hope you find this video helpful. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.